Okay. You're not gonna let me do this, are you? No, you're not. Hold on. Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial playing with the new Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I used numbers 4 and 8 for today's look. They are not puppy food, sorry bud. But if you'd like to see how to get this look or just want to hang out for a bit, just keep watching. I'm gonna be playing with the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow palettes today. I got the palette number 4 and number 8. Number 4 is kind of like it's like a pinky kind of color story, and then the number 8 is more like a pastel. It's called the Pastel Frost one, and then this one is called Rose, or just Rose. Maybe I'm just trying to be fancy. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do, so we're just going to kind of play with them. This is actually the first Fenty Beauty product I've ever owned, but these just palettes look so fun, and I really wanted to try them out, and they're a really good price point for being in Sephora, so thought I'd play with them. Today, I'm rambling for no reason, so let's just start doing our eyeshadow before I keep talking unnecessarily. Right, I'm going to start with this light pink shade right there, just put it all over the crease. Just start with something simple and basic while I think about what I want to do. I've been really trying to get inspired lately. There's just so many like new products coming out, and like the frustrating part is that all these new palettes coming out are inspiring me, and I like when I see them I'm like, oh, there's so many looks I think I could do with that. The problem is they cost money, and your girl can't afford to be buying new eyeshadow palettes every time they come out, unfortunately. So I'm trying to figure out how to like re-inspire myself with the palettes that I do own, you know, making the most of each of those and really trying to come up with some new looks that are different than my usual. My hair is getting everywhere. Stop it. My hair is just getting everywhere. Next, I'm going to take this nice hot pink color and put that all over the crease as well, but a smidge bit lower than the last shade. Do these have names? Oh, they do have names on the back. So I went in with Sleepover, and now I'm going in with Little Miss. Very nice. I like the names. Now I'm just going back in with the shade Sleepover. Gonna blend that out. Oh, this brow hair is like not, you see that? Look at that brow hair. Just doesn't wanna stay in place apparently. It's never happened. Stop, it keeps doing that. Look at, stop it. Brow. None of my hairs want to cooperate today. My head hair, my brow hair. People call it head hair. I am losing my mind. So many shades I want to use. Really feeling this blue shade right here, kind of mixed in with these pinks. Got a little pump of blue on my shirt, so maybe I'll do that. I don't know, all these pinks are just, been feeling them lately, which is weird for me. not usually into all the pinks. Okay. Let's hope this goes well. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here. It's called Mother's Boy. Is that kind of like Mother's, am I saying that right? Mother's Boy? I don't know if I'm saying that correct at all, but I'm gonna go in with that and stick it on the inner and outer corners. I love this like pastel trend that is coming in for springtime. Like, how has this not been a thing sooner? Like, I just feel like it makes sense. Pastel, spring, Easter. I don't know. Did I just miss out on that previously? I don't know. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. I love it. I know it looks like I'm layering it a lot, but it's really just because I can't stop using it because it's so pretty. I just keep wanting to add more. I'm just gonna take one of the brushes from earlier and just kind of blend. All right, now I'm gonna take this pink shade called Ice Cream Kisses and put that in the center of the lid. It's beautiful. These shimmers are so nice. They're like really soft. Very pigmented. Very impressed. Just touching up a little more of that blue. I want to make sure I don't lose any of that beautiful blue shade. I like it. All right, now I'm going in with the shade Lady Pimp. This is purple. I'm just keeping it right on the inner and outer corner. For the lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Spice Trip. Okay, that's looking a little more brown than I want, so I'm gonna go over it with the shade Stunt Queen. Let's see how that looks. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go back in with Little Miss. And then I'll blend it out with Sleepover. I'm going back over that liner with the shade Little Miss just because I feel like it's pulling really like weird brown color right now. Maybe it's the combo of the colors. I don't know. It just looks not good. Okay, I just kind of went back and layered those shimmer shades back over top of that liner so you can still see it, but it's not as intense just because I don't know why, but it's pulling this weird brown color and it didn't look like it did in the pan, so I don't know if it was the way I layered them or what, but it did not look cute. For the inner corner and brow bone, I'm just going to go back in with the highlight I used on my face, which is from the Jaclyn Cosmetics the Flash palette, and this is the shade Mesmerized. Alright, I just put on the Essence Lash Princess Mascara as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Trouble. This little guy was being a little fussy, so he gets to be in the intro and outro. But that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can also follow me on Instagram at JSanchez Beauty, where I try to post just about every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye. Okay. We're gonna go play now.